Hello and welcome, dear children. Today we will study a moral based lesson of Standard 6th, subject English, lesson number 2.2, The Worth of a Fabric. The title of the lesson itself tells us that the lesson is going to be on the value of a cloth. So, let's get started. Children, just identify the images and try to tell their names. Very good. You identified correctly. The first image is of Saint Kabir. Second is of Saint Tukaram. The third is of Saint Tiruvalluvar. Why do we call them a saint? Who is a saint? A person who is very virtuous, kind, patient, and has never done anything wrong to anyone is called a saint. If we see the life of Saint Kabir, we find that he was a mystic poet and influenced many people by his writings. He had composed the poems in a concise and simple style. Let us see one of his couplet. ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए औरों को शीतल करे आप ही शीतल होए. Meaning, speak such words without the ego's manipulative ways that not only your body remains composed, you also give your listeners joy through your words. So, we can easily make out through his writings how great were his thoughts and why people followed him. If we talk about Saint Tukaram, he was a Marathi poet of 17th century. His poem has not only energized a decaying society but also influenced the centuries to come. The next poet is Saint Tiruvalluvar. He is a Tamil poet and philosopher. He is credited and revered by Tamil people for his writing and collection of 1330 poem couplets called as Tirukural, which talk about ethics and morality and is considered to be a guideline to lead a good and righteous life. Let us see one of his Tirukural. Kural 391. Learn well what should be learnt and then live your learning. Meaning, let a man learn thoroughly whatever he may learn, and let his conduct be worthy of his learning. Today's story that we are going to study is about the worth of a fabric. This story is written around 2000 years back by the Tamil saint poet, that is Tiruvalluvar. This story eventually explains to a young man the importance of hard work. If we talk about Saint Tiruvalluvar, he was a textile weaver. What is the meaning of textile weaver? A person who makes cloth by weaving fiber together is a weaver. So, Saint Tiruvalluvar used to weave beautiful clothes like saris, and later the cloth was sold in the market. People were very much aware of all the good qualities about this saint. They knew that he was very calm, quiet, and a patient person. He never got angry or spoke rudely with anyone. In the same town, there was a rich man who was born with a silver spoon. That is, he had all the luxuries and comforts of life. So, he never felt to do any hard work to earn his living and spent most of his time in roaming around with his friends. Roaming means moving about aimlessly. His favorite job was to go around in the market and make fun of other people. One day, this young man came to know about Saint Thiruvalluvar, and he was shocked to believe that this saint never got angry. So, he decided to make fun of the saint and takes up the challenge to make him angry. Then the arrogant young man went in the shop of Thiruvalluvar. Arrogant means proud and egoistic. As he went in, he picked up a beautiful piece of fabric and asked the cost of the same. Thiruvalluvar replied, "It is worth 8 coins." The young man had a cruel plan in his mind. So he unfolded the cloth. Unfolded means to open. He opened the cloth and tore it into 2 parts and again asked for its price. Thiruvalluvar very calmly responded, "It will cost 4 coins now." The young man was surprised to hear the polite response. Just to make the saint angry, he again tore the half piece of cloth to another 2 halves and again asked for its price. 2 coins was the answer. Hearing again a very calm response, the young man was very impatient and agitated. Impatient means restless, and he went on tearing the pieces of cloth into half again and again, and in the same patient and calm ways, the saint Thiruvalluvar went on reducing the price of the cloth. At last, the fabric was torn in so small pieces that finally it changed into rags. Rags means a waste piece of cloth. The cloth was torn so badly and it was in a poor condition to be used. So, Thiruvalluvar told him, "Now this fabric has become worthless. I will not name any price for this rags." Worthless means of no use. Since the cloth was of no use, Thiruvalluvar told that he will not charge any money for it. But the rich young man was very proud of his riches. Just to show his superiority and boost the power of his money, he offered to pay 8 coins to the saint for the first time. But Thiruvalluvar smiled and refused to take the money, and later explained him the reason for not accepting his money. To know this reason, you have to see the next part of the same lesson in the next video. Before we end today's session, let us recall all the difficult words and its meanings.
First one is textile weaver, a person who makes cloth by weaving fiber together is a weaver. Second, roaming means moving about aimlessly. Number 3, arrogant. Arrogant means proud and egoistic. Number 4, unfold. That means to open. Number 5, impatient. Impatient means restless. Number 6, rags. Rags means a waste piece of cloth. Number 7, worthless. Worthless means of no use. Thank you and take care. Do watch my next video.